What's up, guys? It's your boy Raptor coming at you with another video. This time, Street Fighter 6. Now, Street Fighter, my least favorite fighting game, and I hated them. Street Fighter 4 made me rage so hard, Akuma on hard mode, that I was like, I'm done. I'm never touching these games again. I was never good at Street Fighter in the first place. I'm not touching them. But this game I'm buying frame one instantly. This game is so much fun. I love everything about it. The modern controls are interesting. If you've never played dynamic controls, oh boy. I just think it's funny. But yeah, this is my my transition from pad to button box in literally the fighting game that I'm probably the worst at in all the ones that I play. So enjoy, and if you like the content, please like, subscribe, and hope you have a great day and a better tomorrow, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Have Street Fighter experience. Dude. If nobody's played dynamic before, that's hilarious. But we're sticking with classic. Okay. I can feel the strength in your attacks. Finally, we have jumping attacks. Wada wada. Ah. So he shoots sand out of his hands? Is that what this guy does? Oh god, this is gonna be hard. That's what's gonna be difficult. Doing the rolling backwards. I did play this at my friend's house, but we were playing on... Excuse me, we were playing pad, so that's why I'm kind of glazing over this. I kind of have done this before. Alright, I don't know what those are, but I'm thinking they're these two, so... Or... Let's go. So, this was one of the reasons I'm excited for Street Fighter 6. This game is actually going to teach you how to play the game. And we'll get into that later, but yes. Ah. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oop. Alright. I'm not that good. Calm yourself, man. First, we're going to do Ryu. How to play Ryu. Hadouken. Fire Keyblast. An overdrive Hadouken is faster, hits multiple times, and inflicts more damage. It doesn't leave you overly vulnerable afterwards, so it leaves you plus, is what I'm assuming it means. Make it useful when trying to dictate the pace of battle.
You're doing well. Believe in the path you've chosen. We should go on a journey together.
We should go on a journey together. Shoryuken!
Believe in the path you've chosen. Good form.
It's gotta be quick. You gotta...
You're doing well.
Let's try to...
Believe in the path you've chosen. We should go on a journey together.
We should go on a journey together.
You're doing well.
Huh? That's hard. Fudge. Fudge.
Doing well.
Ugh, I'm getting all like tensed up and it's getting harder to do. Why?
We should go on a journey together.
Oh wait, what was wait. Aww. If only they could be like Tekken buttons.
Good boy.
I'll tell you what, because this uses light, medium, heavy, and because Dragon Ball, you got to use so many things with like Super Dash and stuff. I bet you playing this game, because it's a slower pace, will help me learn how to play with the buttons more, which is going to really help me get better at playing fighters more. But the thing I really got to get down is like being okay with this being the jump button. Maybe it's better if I just play with this with this thumb. Like if I use this thumb, I get kind of confused, but if I use this thumb, I'm kind of good actually. That's actually kind of a good idea. All right, cool. We're figuring it out. Back. Okay, I'm hitting this at the same time, and you can't hit it at the same time. You got to do it after.
We should go on a journey together.
I don't think once it's in Vengeance state, I don't think it
We should
changes.
train
Either,
together
yeah,
sometime.
light, heavy, medium, light, medium, heavy. It doesn't change once it's in Vengeance state. It's all the same.
Good boy.
It does the same thing. Okay. Near the corner of the stage. Send your opponent high enough in the air, you can follow with a shin. I do. Try.
Believe in the path you've chosen.
Nope.
We should go on a journey.
Oh yeah, timing. Timing.
We should go on a journey together.
Mama.
Believe in the path you've
That would
chosen.
work in the corner.
Fists of mine. We're doing well.
Wait.
Fists of mine. We're doing well.
Okay.
Fists of mine. We should go on a journey together.
Huh. Interesting.
Fists of mine. Believe in the path you've
I
chosen.
wonder if that combos. Wait. Fudge.
Fists of mine.
Odd.
Fists of mine. We should go on a journey together.
Woo! Wait.
Fists of mine. Believe in the path you've chosen.
All right, we're getting it. We're getting it. We're getting it. We're getting it. Fudge. Bang.
Go on a journey together.
The powerful Shoryuken unleash that short range and overwhelming technique that aims for opponent's vitals.
Oh, that's. Fudge, I didn't mean to do that.
Believe in the path you've chosen.
Woo! We gotta do that quick, man.
Good boy.
Fudge. Got it again. Got it again. Got it again. Let's go.
Believe in the path you've chosen.
We're getting it. We're getting it. We're getting
We
it.
should go on a journey together.
We're getting the speed at which we have to tap the buttons.
We should go on a journey together.
Yes. Do it one more time. One more time. One more time. Oh.
Believe in the path you've chosen.
First try. First try.
Good
Let's
boy.
go. All right. Moving on.
We should go on a journey together.
We can go on a journey together.
Whirlwind kick is used when moving fighting range. Can be used to avoid opponents. Oh, okay. Nice. Nice.
You're doing well.
That's cool. That's cool. That's cool.
Good boy.
The collarbone breaker is called an overhead attack and uses a slip through a guard of an opponent who are blocking or crouched. This is a way to make it more effective.
We should go on a journey together.
Yeah, like Dragon Ball. So boom.
Believe in the path you've chosen.
Why not? Level 4 is good for now. I'm not that great at the game yet.
I'm ready for a fight when it's on its own. I'm charging like a bull when it's on its own.
Yeah.
Hello.
Let us begin.
Let me have some fun.
Oof. Ow, man.
I gotcha.
Fudge you, man. Fudge. Ow. Alright. Alright. Alright.
Not that.
No. Stop! You did not just do that. You did not just do that. Shelf! Ah! You would get off. You know what? Nah, get out my face. Nah, get out my face.
What's wrong? Get up. To your left.
All right, beat level 4. Wasn't pretty, but we did it. Let's do it again. Fudge knuckle. know what? I don't like it.
Donkey kick. Donkey kick.
Round 2. Fight.
Fudge. Man. No! I wanted to do my ultimate and it didn't come out. Fudge you, Luke.
Face.
Nope. Fudge.
Ryu wins.
Round 1. Fight.
No way.
Pay attention.
Oh. Manifest. Manifest.
Round 2. Fight.
Fudge you. I wanted my super. Doesn't want to give me my super.
Ryu wins.
For now. This would probably be what I look like if I would work out. If I actually would just take the time. Do the stuff. What is... Oh, I'm higher than everybody. Oh, wow. Whatever. Metallic? Oh my goodness. I am bright as the sun. Okay. I am God. Honestly, this isn't going to save, so I'm going to leave it probably right like it is. Whoa, what is going on? Why? Why is it 30 FPS? It's like a Super Saiyan 4. Actually, that is exactly what I made. Holy crap, I didn't even realize I did that. I'm about to whoop you, kid. I have auto combos because this game is like that. Oh, wow. That's all you have to do?